Good evening everyone. So today is my second video. V2 means second video of arithmetic progression, in which first question of exercise 1.5 I am going to discuss. The situation is given in first question. There are four questions in which the first one is we have to check for each situation whether the situation is in arithmetic progression or not in arithmetic progression. So here the first question says that taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer. So for first kilometer, first kilometer, the taxi fare is rupees 15. taxi fare and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So for the second kilometer, second kilometer, we have to pay rupees 8, and for third kilometer we have to pay additional rupees 8. In this way the fare is charging by the taxi. So suppose the fare to cover 1 kilometer distance is equal to rupees 15. This, and fare to cover 2 kilometer distance means 1 kilometer is the first one. So for 1 kilometer rupees 15, and for the additional 1 kilometer rupees 8 is charged, so rupees 23. So for the 2 kilometer, if any person covers 2 kilometer, he has to pay 23 rupees. Fare to cover 3 kilometer distance, it means that for first kilometer 15 rupees, and for the second 2 kilometer 8 plus 8, so it is equal to 31, so rupees 31. So we see that 15, then 23, then 31. In this way the fare is coming, in which the difference between these two, 23 minus 15, it is 8, and it is quite clear from here. So 31 minus 23, it is 8. So this situation is yes in arithmetic progression. So this is the answer. I think it is clear to everyone. So now the second question says that this is the situation, says that the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So in a cylinder, suppose I am just making a cylinder. Vacuum pump is a pump which removes air from the cylinder or from any vessel. So suppose a cylinder we have. I have just drawn a cylinder, and this cylinder I have taken, and the volume of this cylinder is, let V is the volume. V is taken the volume of cylinder, means volume of air present in the cylinder. Now a vacuum pump is inserted which removes, it is a vacuum pump which removes 1/4 of the volume of air after using it at a particular time. So V1 means the volume after the first use of the vacuum pump will be V minus V into 1/4, because the original volume of the air is V, and in the question it says that when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time, so V minus 4V minus V/4, so it is 3V. So when the first time vacuum pump is removes 1/4 part of the volume of the air, the volume left is 3V/4, that is V1 I have taken. V2 I will take the volume when second time vacuum pump is applied. So when second time, now the remaining air is left, it is 3V/4, and now the volume of 1/4 of this volume is removed by the vacuum pump in the second time, because the remaining volume will be V1, and from this V1 again the vacuum pump will remove 1/4 of this volume. So we will find out 3V/4 minus 3V/16. So it will come, after taking the LCM, 12V minus 3V. So it is coming 9V/16. So first time the first volume is V, and second when the vacuum pump is applied, which removes 1/4 of the air, then the volume is this, and when the third time vacuum pump is applied, then 1/4 of this volume is removed. So now we will find out V1 minus V, means we will see that whether the common difference are same or not. V1 minus V means 3V/4 minus V. So it is equal to 4 LCM, here is 1, 4 divided by 4 1, so 3V and minus 4V. So it is equal to minus V/4, plus minus subtract, and then minus V upon 4. Now V2 minus V1. So V2 minus V1, so V2 is equal to 9V/16 minus V1 is equal to what? 3V/4. So 3V/4 we will subtract it. So here the LCM will come 16. So 9V minus 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12. So 12V. So it is minus 3V/16. So now here we are seeing that these two values are not same. Minus V/4 and minus 3V/16 both are not same. It is not going to be cancelled. So therefore, since common difference is not same, since the common difference is not same, since common difference is not same, common difference is not same, or difference is not same, we can say that the difference is not same, not common difference, difference is not same. Therefore different is not constant, same or constant. So So this situation is not an arithmetic progression. So this is not an arithmetic progression. So thank you. These are the two questions of the first question, first question, first one and second one. So now you will try to if you will understand, so please like, subscribe and share the video and hit the bell button for the further video for the notification. I am Mr. Sajid Akhtar, PhD Mathematics, and please share it. And one more thing I want to tell you that I will do all the questions from the different books also. So please see my video. Thank you. Bye bye. In the second video I will make the next two questions. Thank you.